Hey lovelies, welcome back, or welcome if it's your first time here. If you don't remember me, of course you probably don't. It's been a minute. My name is Shauna. You can call me Shaunz. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back if it's your first time here. Guys, I know, don't come for me. I know I've been gone for a hot minute, but I had said this on my page. If you look in the community section of the YouTube page, you'll see that I had left a message saying that I was going to be away for a while and I wasn't sure if I was going to make any more videos. But I miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. I cannot explain how much I miss you guys, and I just miss making videos, and I miss interacting, and I miss everything that, you know, happens in YouTube land. So I am back, guys. I don't know how long I'll be back for, but I'll try and see if I can get back in the swing of things. I know I've missed a lot. I've missed a lot of you guys. I've missed your videos. I've missed so much, but I'm just happy to be back. And yeah, I'm so happy to see you guys, and I'm so happy to be here making another video. It's been a while, but life happens, and sometimes you just lose inspiration and you just have to step back and, you know, collect your thoughts and just sort yourself out before you can come back and make videos. And that's exactly what I did. And of course I had a few friends who said that they missed seeing my videos, and I just wanted to come back and, you know, make some more videos for you guys, and of course catch up and see what's going on. So please let me know how you guys have been and what's new. Give me the tea, sis. I want to know everything. So yeah, just leave me a comment in the comment section to tell me how you've been and all that good stuff, because you know the world is crazy right now, guys. Honestly, I don't know what's going on in this world, but it's been so crazy, and I've just been sitting, you know, just wondering what is going on. So I just want to hear from you guys. Just want to know what you've been up to and things of that sort. So yeah. Okay guys, so today I want to tell you a little bit about a palette I bought a couple months ago. I am late to this, guys, because I wasn't in the UK, but I just wanted to support Makeup by Tammi. If you don't know who she is a UK influencer and YouTuber, and she has worked with Makeup Revolution for quite some times now. She has made palettes with them and lip products and everything like that, and she's one of my favorites. She's so hardworking. Her looks are amazing. If you don't know who she is, go ahead and follow her on Instagram and of course YouTube. I think it's called Makeup by Tammi. I will leave her link down below so you guys can go ahead and check her out. Please go ahead and support her. She's amazing. She does fun videos and her looks are just top notch. Anyway, so she came out, you know, she has her own makeup line. She does lashes, she does cake liners and things of that sort, and she came out with her palette. It's called Chasing Butterflies. I love butterflies. I have a tattoo of a butterfly on my chest because it represents, you know, life, freedom. I just love butterflies overall. Anyways, she came up with this palette called Chasing Butterflies, and this is what the palette looks like. It's a cardboard packaging, so it's very travel friendly, and it's lightweight, so you can just put it in your purse or your bag if you want to travel and, you know, do a makeup look on the way or something of that sort. Anyways, this palette came with 12 different shades, 12 beautiful popping colors, right in time for summer, guys. You've got the blacks, of course, you've got the yellows, like the golden yellows, you've got the greens, the pinks, the blues, the reds over here. You've got a wide variety of bold colors you can play around with for summer, and I absolutely loved how she, you know, came up with the colors and just added them to one palette. And you know, a lot of these colors are very usable. I can see myself using, you know, the golden yellow and the sort of what you call that burgundy shade is what you call it, and then you've got the black, and of course you've got like a pinky color here, and the red. I can see myself using these colors all the time, but these bold colors I can see myself using them more so for the summer. Now guys, these are very nice shades. The look I'm wearing at the moment is brought to you by this palette, of course, and I have a tutorial coming up on the look, so make sure that you stick around for that. So guys, what I want to do is do a quick swatch. I'm going to swatch them on my arm for you guys so you can see how they look They blend really, really nicely. They are highly pigmented, and I love this palette. The only thing, Tammy, sorry, some of the shadows were popping out of the palette, so I'll have to go ahead and put some glue on them so they stick back into the palette. I don't know if that's a one-off or what, but that's the only fault I can find with the palette. Apart from that, beautiful shades, you guys. I'm going to swatch them for you so you can see how they look on the skin. I know a lot of people are against swatches on your arms because they say, oh, it doesn't really represent the color, but I don't think so. I think when you swatch a color, you know, on your finger or on your arm, you can tell the color payoff and how it's going to look on your actual lid, especially when you add your base. Mind you, when I do swatches, I don't add any bases or anything of that sort. I just go straight from the palette and onto my arm or my finger. I never add any base. So if I see them popping on my arm, then I definitely know they're going to pop on my lids. So for the people who don't believe in arm swatches, sorry, I do. Anyways, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and swatch these shades for you guys. Oh, before I go, I'm too excited. Let me tell you the names of the shades. So from here, you've got Chasing, you've got Goals, you've got Inspiration, you've got Spring, you've got Summer, you've got Dreams, Butterflies, Hope, what's that? Aspire, Purpose, Love, and Holy Grail. So those are the names of the shadows in the palette. Really nice names, really catchy names, and I absolutely love how small and compact it is. And of course, it's got a mirror, so of course you can do your eyes on the go. So let me go ahead and swatch these for you guys, and then you can tell me what your thoughts are on this palette. Guys, I forgot to tell you that the palette retails for £19.99, and of course, as I said, it has 12 shades, it has 9 mattes and 3 shimmers, is cruelty-free and vegan. Now let me just tell you a little bit about her palette. It says on her site, introducing my Chasing Butterflies palette. This is going to be your new spring fling, bursting with colorful standout shades that you can either wear alone for a one and done look or blend together for a rainbow finish. I named this palette Chasing Butterflies because I was designing it, and now with me releasing it, all I can get is butterflies in my stomach. I feel excited and hopeful, yet nervous and uncertain all at the same time. And even though chasing your dreams can be scary, I believe you should always try and chase the dream that gives you butterflies. Oh, that's cute. I like that. So that's the little backstory or the little details on this palette called Chasing Butterflies, palette by Tammy.
I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich. Smelling like Versace rich. Dizzy and Beyonce rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Say rich, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich, I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich, Jay-Z and Beyonce rich. I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Diamonds on my body rich, smelling like Versace rich.
So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. I know a lot of you might have unsubscribed, but I hope that you will find me and come back and support me as you always do. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. Thank you guys for touching base with me. A lot of you girls have touched base to see if I'm okay, because you know that this world is crazy right now and you never know what's going on in a person's life. So thank you girls for checking in and making sure that I'm okay. I love you girls and guys so much. So make sure that you keep on supporting Shaunz World, and go ahead and tell a friend and a family member to subscribe and support Shaunz World. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn the notifications on, and of course thumbs up this video if you enjoyed watching. And don't forget to go ahead and support my girl Tammy. Make sure that you go ahead on her website. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can go and check it out. She has lashes, as I said. She's got lip products. She's got eye products. She's got her palette, of course. Go ahead and support Tammy and tell her that Shauna from Shaunz World sent you, even though she doesn't know me, but it's okay. Even though she doesn't know me, it's fine. I will support her because she's an amazing makeup artist. She's an amazing person overall, and I will support her as much as I can. And I urge you guys to go ahead and do the same. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in today. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.